Hello, this is Anna here, real estate negotiator from Propnex Malaysia. Very unlikely for me to appear today on a video dressing like this, right? Yeah, now it's FMCO, but then even though it's at FMCO, we are still working from home, and want to let you all know that you can still make use of this lockdown to get the best price for your property, because this time is the time when the developers will be having a lot of promotions and everything, so it is the best time to invest. Today I'm going to share with you development in Cheras. It's a very high in demand property, very good investment, and even a lot of my colleagues, they are buying and getting a unit themselves. That's how good is it, right? Because sometimes we see so many projects and everything is like just the same and everything got nothing special or anything, right? But this project really attracts a lot of us, and that's why I want to share this to you. So it is really a good deal if you're really looking for a home for your own stay or whether to invest. This is the property for you, yeah. So just have a look, okay, and I will see you at the end of the video. Introducing Sunway Velocity, and these are the 10 facts that you must know being Cheras hotspot. Okay, Sunway Velocity Mall caters everything of your needs and wants. Monthly visitors can be as high as 1.5 million. Sunway College at Sunway Velocity, they have courses including IT, finance, ACCA, and etc. The capacity can fit up to 3,500 students. Number 3 is transportation, direct link to 3 MRT and 2 LRT stations with covered walkway protecting you from raining or hot sun. If you have visitors, relatives, or friends from other places coming to visit you, you can always arrange a stay for them at Sunway Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel with 17 stories and 351 rooms. In case of any emergencies, it's good to have a medical center nearby. So this medical center is operated by Sunway Medical Center. They have key specialists including cardiology, nephrology, orthopedic, surgery, and many more. MIC is a special economic zone and high technology business district in Malaysia, and this development is awarded MIC status. A good township must have offices, and there are 6 existing office buildings here, including VO1 to VO6. Always choose a place where there are people staying here, which is highly populated, not a ghost town. So this is a really good place because we have Sunway Service Residence, V Resident Suites, V Resident 2 and 3. Even though Sunway Velocity is already a booming area, they are still continuously progressing and developing more new projects such as offices and residences. So this new service residence is now open for sale. We have 2 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms and free 1 to 2 car parks. So if you're interested, you can always contact me, Anna, at 016623 9933, and we can arrange for an online viewing via Zoom since it's FMCO now. Okay, I promised you just now that I will see you at the end of the video, right? So now I'm doing it. Okay, the reason why I want to appear at the end of the video because I want to share with you my personal experience about this Sunway Velocity area. Okay, so for me, I'm a fitness instructor, so I travel a lot in Klang Valley and also KL area. So I have a few encounters because I was there to replace my friend's fitness class. Okay, and I went to Sunway Houzkey Mall before, and also to this My Town, and I find the place very nice, you know, like just like going to you know, 1U in Bandar Utama or IKEA or the Curve, you know, that area, you know. So it's really like a very interesting place to be and a nice place to hang out. So it's another township, but it's new, so it's like give me a feeling of like, oh, I want to discover more about this place. Another encounter is that I saw a documentary, a video about Sunway Houzkey Mall, and this two-person, the host, were talking about how big this mall is and how much variety of nice food that they have in this mall. That's why I want to discover more about this mall. Yeah. Then when they say about this project, right, so I was thinking, wow, this place really have a lot of potential, because it attracts a lot of people, and like people like to be there, you know. So when you like to be there, you like to stay there, you like to be near there, so it will be very convenient to have your homes near that place. Yeah, then you will not feel bored or, you know, nothing to do and whatever, you know, so it will keep you alive. Okay, so you want to check out more about this place near this Sunway Houzkey Mall, and also near IKEA, near My Town, near all these popular places. Okay, you can contact me. Okay, and that's all I want to share with you. Yeah, so I hope to hear from you soon. Okay, if you want your money to go into the right property, then I think you should really consider Sunway Houzkey too. Yeah. So don't be late, yeah, in contacting me, because you must view it now. Okay, this is the time when you are free, is at FMCO, and you got a lot of free time to really think, yeah, what are the things that you really want. And then also the units are limited, so if let's say you're just late one step, then all the good units are gone already. Yeah, so make sure you make your decision fast but wise. Yeah.